Till now, this is the only fix I found. You can see I'm running a Core 2 Duo, and for display I have gt730. Still, what you need to do is, a link will be in the description. You download the thing, then you unzip in the Far Cry 4 folder into bin. Then what you need to do is open this Extreme Injector. Yes, so it started running. Then what you need to do is open Far Cry 4. Then it'll execute it. So previously there was a black screen, and here in the top it'll show Far Cry 4 not responding, but that went away. It's an official fix from Far Cry only. Yes, now you can see it started. It's actually working nice, cause I can show you that I am running it on almost very high settings, some high, some very high, with everything on, and this is the maximum I can reach in my monitor, and it's running like a charm, no lag whatsoever. It's running nice actually, without any lag. I'm getting about 30 FPS, sometimes 35, 35, 40 maybe. Actually not 40, 30, 35 FPS. But while recording it went down, so I'm using a camera for that. So, and that's all guys. It's a fix. Hope it worked for me, so I hope it will work for you too. Thank you and goodbye.